Hi, my name is Brandon Michael. I am a WCA delegate for the state of Iowa, USA. I created a Python program called Scramble controller that will take an email from your phone and it will open up scrambles on a laptop for a WCA competition. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have a zip file from Tnoodle version 14.0. Here I'm going to unzip. This has some scrambles in it. I'll get rid of that. You should keep a backup copy of all this stuff, but this is just for displaying, so this is all I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep that password text file. I'm going to unzip the encrypted PDF folder. I'll save that. And I'm going to get rid of this, and it should empty trash, so no one else can view them. Now I'm going to open my program and run it. Now I'm going to direct first entry, I'm going to direct it to the encrypted PDF folder. Second entry, I'm going to direct the program to the password text file. And then I'm going to type in a sender email. This is the email from your phone that you will be sending codes to open files. The receiver email will be the email that the computer is logging into and reading the codes. It has to be a Gmail account. Now before I go ahead and click control, I am going to send a start command. So I'm going to just put start in the subject line, send it to my receiver email, click send. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and click control. Okay, if I look in my shell, it should say starting Scramble controller, so I know it's started running. Now I will go ahead and delete this text file so no one else can have access to the passwords. I should go ahead and empty trash. And I'm going to go ahead and open 3x3 round 1 Scramble set A. So I'll just type 331A is my code for that. And the subject, I leave the body blank, hit send. Should open my Scramble and should fit to full screen. So if we're done with Scramble set A, I can go ahead and go to Scramble set B. There we go, it just pulls it up automatically. It's very nice and slick, and it's fast and easy. Now I'll show you something about 7x7 and other big cubes. So I'm going to type in 7x7 1A. It should zoom in for you and scroll to the top, so that way it's easier to read. There you go, zooms in, scrolls to the top. And when you're done, go ahead and send a stop. Just put stop in the subject for a stop command. Hit send, should close out of this PDF, and I'll say stopping Scramble controller, and it will close your GUI, or it'll say like a stop thing. That way it deletes all your information so no one else can go and manipulate it. You'll have to enter it again. So there's other ways to stop the controller, and I'll show you those. If you haven't even hit control, you can just hit cancel and it'll stop it. So I've re-entered all my inputs into my GUI. I'm going to click control. So it should be running. Now, this is the third way to stop it. So you have your phone sending a stop command. If you haven't ran, you can click cancel, but if you're running, you can't click cancel. Go over to your shell right here. Just hit Control C, and that'll do a keyboard interrupt, and it'll stop your controller. And there you have it. That's the Scramble controller, version 3.0 for OS X, and I do have a Windows version. If you take a look at the README for the Scramble controller 3.0 and scroll down to the bottom, you can see the list of Scramble codes for the Scramble controller. You're going to want to learn those very well so you can use them to open scrambles at a competition. I'm going to do a quick demo here where I show using multiple laptops with the Scramble controller. So I have the Windows version on the left, OS X on the right. I'm using the same sender and receiver email. You can use different receiver emails if you want to control the laptops at different times. If you're fine with opening them both up at the same time, just use the same one, you'll be good to go. So first I'm gonna send a start command. Okay, start command is sent. I'm going to hit control on each. Remember, now I should be going and deleting that text file so that way no one knows all these passwords. And then I'm going to pull up 3x3 round 1 group A. There you go, it's pulled up on both laptops. Same scrambles. Alright, let me go ahead and switch those. We're done with that round. Go to group or scramble set B. See what else I got on here. 2x2, 1A. Alright, let's see if I got, yeah, we're running some 2x2 today. Here we go. Alright, I'm done with the comp. I'm going to send a stop command. And they both stop.